The sound E, part 2 with E. Legs, feet. Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about words with E and E. Say the word and sound after me. Eggs. E. How many eggs? 10. 10. E. Pen. E. Pens. E. How many pens? 5. 10. 10. E. How many pens? 5. 10. 15. 20. 20. E. Help. E. Neck. E. Chest. E. Cheek. E. Cheek. Cheek. E. Cheek. E. Leg. E. Heel. E. Heels. E. Feet. E. Feet. Feet. Teeth. E. Do the words need E or E? Feet. E. Pen. E. Teeth. E. Neck. E. Cheek. E. Chest. E. Leg. E. Heel. E. Now pause the video and write the words feet, heel, leg, egg, pen, teeth. Which words fill the gaps? Neck, eggs, teeth, feet. 1. He has got big teeth. 2. She has got big feet. 3. It has got a big neck. 4. They have got big eggs. That's the end of the lesson. You can learn more about E and E on YouTube. The sound E, ESOL at ALN Basic Literacy. The sounds E and E Part 3. More videos are on YouTube. Christine Hartus, ESOL at ALN.